Have you ever heard the phrase, your camera makes amazing photos? Or my personal favorite, you just click a button. Today, everybody has a smartphone and everybody can just click a button and make a picture. So, are they photographers? Or maybe you have a lot of expensive gear and studio lights. Does that make you a photographer? Or you read all the books in the world and know the theory behind it? Is that the answer for you? I ask myself that question. What makes you a photographer? And the answer is none of the above. Yes, you need to know the theory, that is your base. Yes, down the line you need the gear, but that is just a tool. So, to find the answer in this video, I will give you a simple example. And I'm curious if you will reach the same conclusion as me. The other day I decided to shoot some dirty dishes for a stock brief. At the moment, the stock sites want some authentic messy homes. So there is a tip for you. Shoot your messy home and make money from it. But I digress. So, dirty dishes in the kitchen sink was my brief. So I can go to the sink, shoot it, and it's done. I'm ready with the brief. Of course, I didn't do that. The first thing that I do was to clean the kitchen. Why? Because I wanted to shoot a mess, but controlled mess. I wanted to shoot my version of a messy kitchen. And we are back, a few hours later, when I actually have some dirty dishes from lunch. My starting idea was to arrange everything as high as possible and shoot from below, to make it feel like an overwhelming pile of dishes. The low angle helped me make the pile of dishes look larger than it is, and make the task of washing them feel more dramatic. For the second set of shots, I shot from above. Not from a high angle, but directly from above. In this case, this is a unique perspective. If you think about it, you never look the dishes straight from above. This can make the image interesting and engaging, because the viewer is forced to look the subject from a new angle. The last thing I do was to shoot some close-ups. I love shooting close-ups, because you never see the details in real life like you can see them in a photo. So, why I show you this simple example? I wanted to show you what I think the photographers really bring to the table. The thing that makes you a photographer is thinking about the photo and what you want to convey with it long before you pick up a camera and shoot it. So, my answer of what makes you a photographer is a combination of your skill, your knowledge, and your ability to use those to convey an idea or a message with your pictures. I choose this concept to show you what I mean, because it's simple and I don't really think that the most of us sit at home and thinking, yeah, I will shoot some dirty dishes today. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye!